Hello everyone, this is Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner for our English lessons. We are going on to the next lesson. How old are you? What do you look like?
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
I am 25 years old.
Oh, I am 25.
Oh, I am 25 years old too.
What do you look like? What is your hair color?
What do you look like? What color is your hair?
I have brown hair. It's long. Oh. Short.
I have brown hair. It's short.
What color are they brown too? Eyes.
What color are your eyes? Are they brown too?
Yes, they're also brown.
Yes, they're also brown. How about you?
I have short, blonde, hair, and brown eyes. I'm looking at the picture.
I have short blonde hair and brown eyes.
His hair is blonde. His hair is blonde.
What color is his hair?
They have short hair.
How long is their hair?
She is 16 years old.
How old is she?
My eyes are green.
What color are your eyes?
How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
I am 24 years old.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes are blue.
My eyes are blue. Meow.
What color are your hair and eyes?
I have white hair and black eyes.
I have white hair and black eyes.
What color is your hair? And how long is it?
I have short black hair.
I have short black hair.
Good job, everyone. This has been How Old Are You? And What Do You Look Like? I am Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, asking that if you have not done so, to subscribe to get more notifications about all of our English videos. Thank you again, like the video, and have a fantastic rest of your day.